Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna unbox all the gifts my sugar daddy bought me, aka myself. What's up guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and if you've seen my videos before, you already know I'm kidding. Remember all those funny sugar daddy videos I used to do?
Whatever do you mean? My dear old Harold has passed away of mysterious circumstances?
Well, this is the 2026 version.
Happy belated Valentine's Day, one of my favorite days of the year to shop. As a perpetually single and self-made woman, here's everything I bought myself this week. All right guys, we're gonna start with this. So what's in here is Louis Vuitton. However, it's me, so I bought it used online. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This came literally 1 second ago. Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da! These are the cherry Louis Vuitton Murakami heels from back in the olden days. Oh my god, these are vintage, unbelievable condition. Such cool shoes. Do you guys see these little cherries on them? See? They're smiling. These are not the brand new ones they just came out with. These are the ones from the original collection. A really famous Japanese designer, Takashi Murakami, designed all of these old collections. Like, do you guys remember these? This was the hottest thing ever. I grew up thinking about this. Like, I always thought when I was older, this is who I would be. And what do you know? It is. An unbelievable find. I got them on eBay, but you can see them on, look at this, you guys. Oh my god, oh my god. Like, this is so fire. Look at that. In the summer, this is gonna be just like everything. But the little bow, my toes, oh, it looks so cute. I'm a huge consumer of old things. I just think they're way cooler than the new things. So these are really the ones that I lusted over when I was like 12. And since I already have the purse, a match made in heaven. The aesthetic vibes are on point. This is it. Like, woo, yeah. You guys don't even understand how funny this is. I'm just like standing in the front of my house. The valets are staring at me thinking I'm crazy, but I don't care. Runway. This is a fit. Oh, like, oh my god, that is so cute. Like, ah. Wow. Oh. Fantastic. Fabulous. Unbelievable. Such a good gift. Okay, now moving on to what every girl dreams about. Cheers. So you guys know my home decor taste is quite literally like, I do need a sugar daddy to pay for it because oh my god, it's so expensive. I can only do so much, you guys. Like, I need a billionaire to help me, really. But I'm trying. So I'm slowly but surely furnishing my place very specifically with the best things in the world. And so I got myself every girl's dream. Cheers. Ta-da! Wow, my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful new chairs just came in. Look at how beautiful they are. The detailing on these is crazy. Like, again, you can see these are from almost 125 years ago and they're still in such phenomenal condition. Like, this is the original fabric. I'm obsessed with the little fluffs. Gorgeous carvings. Ah, like, this is original gold gilding. Chair booties, if you were interested. Oh, I love them so much. They're amazing. I absolutely cannot get enough of these. I think they are just spectacular. And of course, as you know, like, you guys have been watching me collect all the pieces from all over the world. Reuniting this set has been literally like, I don't even know when I started this, like 5 years ago in the making. Now they're just like one big happy little reunited family. And so I have officially reunited the entire set. Ta-da! Woo, it's like, hello, 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 hello. Oh, I love them so much. They're everything. Ugh. I'm not gonna leave them here, obviously. I actually think I'm gonna put them over here. I think I'm gonna put the chairs here right next to my beautiful little nightstands. Like, how gorgeous is that? Like, obviously I still need to actually do my bedroom, but don't they look cute there? They're just so cute. Oh, they're magnificent. I love them. I buy a lot of cool things a lot, but reuniting this set is definitely like one of the coolest things I've ever done. Proud shopper moment. Gorgeous. Okay, so moving along from chairs. I literally look naked. Okay, sorry. We'll move on to something that makes a little more sense. Jewelry. Wait till you guys see this. Oh my God. Wait till you guys see this. Oh my God. Look at this. Could you just die? This is the new sapphire necklace. Oh my God, look at this in the sun. Can you even believe this? I'm so distracted. I can't even narrate my own video. But this is my sapphire necklace a la not Tiffany's. This is 333, courtesy of yours truly. Like, oh my God, look at this, you guys. There is no effect on this. Isn't it gorgeous? The sapphire is literally perfectly made to look exactly like the real thing. Like, you can see it on the way that it sparkles and sits perfectly on your neck and just looks, I mean, this looks royal. This is it. This is maybe my favorite thing that I've ever made. I love it. Oh. I could just watch this, honestly, for like a really long time. This is like pornographic to me. I designed this necklace based on Princess Diana's famous sapphire necklaces. I've always been a huge fan of her
Jewelry, because her jewelry collection is unbelievable. So basically I just like combined these three into one.
But necklaces are so hard to do. To make them like really look nice and be correct is not easy. Like, this was not just something I randomly came up with one day. This took forever to get right. Like, forever. I had designed this like months ago, trying to figure out exactly how I wanted to do it. It took 1,000 billion jillion revisions. Like, I'm not kidding. I probably made like 45 of these before I got it right. It took forever, but now it's finally perfect. This was actually based on the same designs as the rings and the earrings, but made to be bigger and more spectacular. Double strand of diamonds on here. And do you see how cool the back is? This is an infinity clasp, so you literally can't see it at all, but this is the back. Hard for you to see, but that actually says 333 Beverly Hills on there. Guys, there is no effect on this at all. This is just how sparkly this is. Oh my God, wow, 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 wow. Matches the sapphire earrings perfectly too. This is kind of a tangent, but I love high jewelry so much. I've always loved it. I just think it's like the most beautiful kind of jewelry there is. The very extra fabulous over the top stuff. And people just like don't realize how much it actually costs. Like a real sapphire necklace like this, $500,000 at least, no question. Like, can be up in the millions. Dare I say, even the real stuff on the market, I literally think this is better. I really do. It is that good. So anyways, I'm so excited about this. These are officially available on 333beverlyhills.com. If you want to know more about the business bitch side of my life, my business video is actually really good. So if you want to check that out. But head designer, founder, and full CEO. And that's that on being your own sugar daddy. By the way, like I said, actually in the business video, I am not trying to make cheap, like shitty jewelry that already exists. Like, that is on Amazon. You can get a necklace for $40. I'll link some below that I think are not that bad for the price. However, I made 333 because I wanted to make something that I truly wanted myself. All of the jewelry that I make is literally the nicest jewelry in history that is not real. Like, it is just the best of the best. I will stand by all of it. It is unbelievable. I mean, you don't really need me to tell you. You can see it IRL. It is gorgeous. Kind of a rant, I'm sorry, but kind of in a ranting mood today. I don't know. Something else I've always wanted is a pink diamond, but those are like bajillions of dollars, quite literally, like $1 million plus a carat. It's crazy. So I had to make my own version of those too. So I have been working on some pink diamonds. I turned the first stones into earrings. These are like rose gold little earrings. Aren't they so beautiful? Slowly but surely, everything I fantasize about on first dibs, I'm gonna make myself. So the little rose gold earrings are available too. Actually, everything came back in stock now, finally. I've been waiting since like Christmas. Everything's been sold out. So thank you for shopping. Treat yourself to whatever you want. You deserve it. Speaking of jewelry, another deranged thing I got is, isn't it beautiful? So I transitioned from buying boxes to literally just buying the bag. I quite literally just wanted the shopping bag. It just looks beautiful, doesn't it? You call it crazy, I call it manifesting. The box actually came with candy, which I since have eaten, and the cool little bridal magazine. Oh, isn't this cool? Like, oh, wow, this one looks just like my Liz Taylor one. That's crazy. But just love stuff like this, so inspiring. Someday I really would love a man to buy me this, but honestly, I would also love me to buy me it, so You want to talk about some other weird random shit that I got? How's this?
You want to talk about something extremely random? I got 3 beautiful designer hangers. Not for any reason, aside of I just thought they would be cool. These are from the Real Designer showrooms. This one is Chanel. You can see, beautiful, beautiful. This is an old silver Dior one, so pretty. Then this one is a really old one. Do you see that? Christian Dior. I think this one's actually my favorite because it just like, it really gives old world splendor, you know? So I got these to hang some nice stuff up in my closet. Oh, like, see, isn't that kind of fun? Now I can hang my fancy stuff. Just makes everything seem more fabulous. Like, you don't have to know I got this on Amazon. Now it's Dior. No matter what it is, hang it on a pretty hanger and voila. Now this random House of CB dress is Dior.
I buy the weirdest stuff. I know, but that's why you're watching. Keeps my channel interesting. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Isn't it great to be your own sugar daddy? You really do always get what you want. Well, all the stuff is nice and good and fun. There is real power in not needing a man for anything.
It's like I wrote on my annual list a few years back. All I want him to be, I will be for myself. I'm gonna take myself stargazing and buy myself flowers and give me the world. On your next morning coffee run, buy yourself some flowers. You don't need to buy yourself lavish, expensive gifts. Just treat yourself every once in a while to things that make you smile. You're a special queen, you deserve it.
And so I bought myself a giant bouquet of flowers. You know, gotta buy yourself the biggest bouquet on the lot. I always do size check. Size check. It's basically oh, I look naked. It covers basically my whole body. I really need to stop wearing strapless clothing. However, spoiled rotten. And so that brings me to the last thing. So to close this video out, I just want to say, I'm filming this on Valentine's Day, by the way. So love is really top of mind this week. And I've made a few videos in the past on love. It's a very common question that I get asked all the time. Where is her man? Like, why does Amber not have a boyfriend? Why is she perpetually single? Guys, I don't know. I'm perfect. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not at all, but it's true. I am single. I have been waiting for someone to sweep me off my feet forever. Like, I'm very romantic and shockingly old-fashioned, and I really want that kind of old-style romantic love, and you know, I just haven't found it yet. The last few dates I went on, like, the man snorted cocaine off the table and took me to a strip club.
Like, honestly, these are story times for another day, but basically just imagine every single episode you've ever watched of Sex and the City has happened to me at least once, twice, or 3 times. Like, it's rough out there. So
I don't just want some random boyfriend. I want to be in love.
like, obviously I could get a random boyfriend if I wanted to. I have all the criteria. Until I find that, I'm not willing to settle. As I wrote on my list last year, my life is going to be a love letter to the women before me who dreamed to be so free. There's a beautiful, wonderful, magical world out there that maybe isn't always full of romantic love, but it is full of love everywhere you look, from your wonderful friends to your family to your pets to everyone. It is a really beautiful world out there, so don't forget it.
Guys, you missed it in the middle of filming. My sister surprised me and her little people. You guys! I didn't even know they were coming, which is why the house is a mess. I figured it would be more fun as a surprise. Oh, like, brought me my favorite candies and a note. George. See, guys, that's the real meaning of Valentine's Day. As a wise woman said so many moons ago.
You guys are fabulous, smart, beautiful, independent women, and you do not need a man to make all of your wildest dreams come true. So keep your head up, keep dreaming, you guys. Everything you want can and will come true if you really believe in it. Dream big. Be your own sugar daddy.
Boss up, work hard, and never let men tell you shit. Get everything you dream of all on your own. I love you so much. Happy belated Valentine's Day. XO.
I'm really gonna miss you, Harold. But I've already found a nice younger man to keep me company. So, not really.